Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku. And this fourth Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, October the 26th, 2020. We have here a Tectonic with 3 stars, and this will be number 1805. Alright, so let's get started. And the question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. And then, do we have a dual boxes? Yeah, dual boxes. Dual boxes 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Do we have more? No, we have here triple box. Here we have also a triple box. Triple box, but the 1 and the 2 are there, so it's not a triple box. Alright, we have a 4 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 3 and a 5. Let me mark them. 3 and a 5. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 3. This triple box, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Triple box also 1, 2, and 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or 2 because we have a 1 and a 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. The other 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them, 3 and a 5. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 3 in this triple box, because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 5. The 1 and the 2 goes there. Yes. Then. 5. We have a 5 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 must be here or there. I mark them. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 4. This one is not easy. I see. Well. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 must be in one of those 3 boxes. That means that this box must not be a 3. Otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be 1 or 2, because we have a 1 and a 2 here in these 3 boxes. Yeah, cannot be a 1 and 2. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. So the other 2 boxes should be the 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. And this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. This should be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be 1 or 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. And this pair should be 3 or 4. 3 or 4. 3 or 4. Alright. So, 1 or 2. So this box should be 1 or 2. Yeah. 1 or 2. Yeah, not easy at all, This box cannot be a 1, because if it's a 1, those 4 boxes cannot be a 1 anymore, and this box cannot be also a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means if this is a 1, this should be a 1. If this is a 1, so this could be a 1. Alright. Difficult decision. Let me think. These 4 boxes should be 1, 2, 3 or 5, because we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 1, 2, 3 or 5. 1, 2, 3 or 5. So this box should be a 4. This box cannot be. We already have a 5 here. So it's 1 or 3. We have a 2, 4 or 5. 1 or 3. 1 or 3. That means this box should be also 1 or 3. Alright. So the 2 goes there. Okay, that means that this box cannot be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be 3 or 5 and cannot be a 4. So it's 1 or 2. This box is important. This should be a cannot be. Look, we have here 4 boxes. Cannot be a 4, cannot be 5, cannot be a 3. This is connected with 1 or 2. Yeah, and it cannot be a 1, so this must be a 2. Yeah, should be a 2. That means those 4 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 3, because otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 4 boxes, so the 3 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1, so I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here and the 2 goes here. Difficult part. Now we have a 1 here, so these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So now we have a 1 here. These two boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 3 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1. I've marked with the 1 and the 2, so this should be a 2. And this should be 3 or 1. 3 or 1. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be, the 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. So this should be a 2. So 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes there. The 3 and the 4 goes here. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 4. Now. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 1. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Here, the 5 and the 1 cannot be here. We have a 5 and a 1 there, so the 5 and the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. So the other 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, alright. This box cannot be a 5, because we need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 5 could be here. Could be there. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So this should be a 4. Then. This box, no. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 here. Those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so these 2 boxes could be a 1, but we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 3. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. How about the 2? It depends. 1, 2. So those 2 should be 3 or 5. 3 or 5. 1, 2, 4. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 2 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5 goes here. 1 box left should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. Then this box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 1, so this should be a 5, so this should be a 1, so those 3 boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5, this box should be the 5, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore, this should be the 5, and this should be a 4, 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 3, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finishing 15 minutes, alright. Great Sudoku, great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Tuesday. Bye bye for now.